it's Sarah Sargent and I am back with another video today. We are digging into Fenty products. I have never really used them before. If you guys haven't been here before, everything that I do is cruelty-free. So if you guys like that and crazy makeup looks like this, then subscribe so you don't miss out. If you guys want to see how I did this icy look today using Fenty products, then I'll see you guys in just a second. Keep watching. Okay, so let's take a look at this gorgeous packaging. It looks like this. It's got like an iridescent winter scene on it. It's so gorgeous. These are called the Killawatt foils. Let's open this up and take a look. Oh my gosh, look, like huge mirror. And then this is what the inside of the palette looks like. So I did swatch these really quick and they swatch beautifully. I could not believe how gorgeous they were. When I decided to purchase this, I was thinking this is supposed to be a highlighter, but it does say on the packaging that you can use it on eyes or really anywhere you want. And I was thinking that probably only these two right here will work for me as actual highlighters, but I think all of these will make beautiful eyeshadows. So that's why I decided to go ahead and purchase this, because I think that they'll end up being able to be a pretty well-used palette. I have to also say that looking at them in the viewfinder right now, it does not do these justice. So really here in person, these are so glittery and glowing. And when I swatched them, they looked absolutely stunning. So I'm really excited to try these out on my eyes. I am going to be using these colors right here on my eyes today. I'm just gonna go for like a red warm look. And then I also picked up some of the lipsticks as well. So we'll get into those in just a minute. Okay, so getting started, I am going to start off with this color right here. This is called Honey Slope, and it looks to me just to be like a peachy orange color, and I'm going to use that as a transition shade today. I don't typically use like glittery or shimmery colors as a transition. I kind of stick to my eyelid with those, but there are no mattes in this palette, so we're gonna go with it and see what happens. Okay, so I'm just using my fluffy brush, and I'm going to just start out by just sweeping this throughout my crease, and we will see what happens. Okay, that's pretty. It's very sheer on the first swipe, but still really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's gorgeous. So I'm just gonna build this up a little bit. Also, I don't know if you guys can hear this or not, but if you hear like any noise in the background, like if it sounds like somebody's throwing rocks at my window, we have had the craziest weather here in Vegas for the last 2 days. It has been snowing, so I haven't been able to really hike or anything, which stinks, but it's actually hailing right now outside, which is crazy. This is very unheard of for Vegas, obviously. So yeah, it's like the apocalypse right now or something. I don't know. It's totally crazy, but if you guys, hear any weird like noise in the background or whatever, that's what it is. Little ice rocks hitting my windows. I grew up in Seattle, and I thought that by moving down here to the desert, I would get away from the rain and the snow, but apparently not. Although I really have no right to complain because, I do realize that the majority of the country is under snow right now, and we're all freaking out here in Vegas because we're getting like a light dusting of snow. So, I am realistic about it. It's just weird though. This isn't supposed to happen. Also, as always, I've already started with my base done, so I have my face powder, my contour, and my eyebrows already done. If you guys are interested in seeing what products I use for that, I will list them all in the comment box below. Okay, so next up, I'm going to be going in with this color right here called Heartburn, and I have my flat little paddle brush. I'm just going to be pressing this into the lids of my eyes and then blending it up into my crease. Okay, so I am just going to pack this onto my lids, and this is going on quite nicely. It is very pigmented. I don't think that it's gonna give me any problems blending out. Also, please forgive my skin right now. I have a lot of dry patches going on, like all over my face. This weather is so crazy. It's been very cold here, and so I think my skin is just like freaking out. I also am out in the weather every single day. When I'm home and not on tour, I hike every single day, and I think just being out in like the wind and the super cold weather has just, it's kind of like destroying my skin. But I will not stop hiking. I don't care. Okay, so now I'm going to take my smaller fluffy brush and go back in with that heartburn color and just blend this out. Blend this into the orange a little bit. Next up, I want to lay down some of my Too Faced glitter glue, because this color right here in the center, called Stone Cold, is one of the most beautiful colors that I have ever seen. Like I said, you know, the camera is really not doing it justice in person. It is so iridescent. It has like champagne and pink and blue like micro glitter in it, but super fine. I mean, so fine that you can't, it's just all melts together like one beautiful iridescent unicorn looking color. So my plan is to just pop a little bit of this in the center of my eyelids, because it does have glitter in it and because it's a loose highlighter. As always, I want to pop down some of this glitter glue. I'm just going back in with my cleaned off paddle brush. I'm going to tap that Stone Cold color right down in the center of my lid. Wow. Yep. That's really nice. Okay, next up I'm gonna go in with this eyeliner from Makeup Geek called Plumeria, and I am going to just run this along my waterline and smudge it out into my lower lashes. Next, I'm gonna go back in with this color, and just using my tiny little paddle brush, I'm just gonna pat this along the liner that I just put down. Okay, I think I'm gonna go back in with this heartburn color and this tiny paddle brush and just darken up the inner and outer corners of my eyelids, just to add a tad bit more color in. I really want to find somewhere to put this color right here. This is Coppin Ice. I'm thinking of maybe putting it down here in the bottom inner lash line and just seeing what happens. I don't think I want to do fake lashes today. I think I'm just going to go ahead and do mascara. I am using Too Faced Better Than Sex. I'm just going to pop this on my top and bottom lashes. Can you guys hear that? Oh my gosh. The hail is going so crazy right now. Oh my gosh, this weather is insane, I'm telling you. I think I am going to use this color right here called Scandal Ice as an inner corner highlight today. Okay, so I think I'm gonna try out the other highlighter in here that I think that I can get away with using. This one right here is called Chillz, and this looks like it has like blue-green tint to it. I don't know if it's gonna really go with the look that I have going on today, but that's all right. I wanna try it. I think that that does it for this little beauty. Let's go ahead and dig into the lipsticks. These are called Frosted Metal Lipsticks. These are in the color Snow Nights. They came out with 2 different packs of these. I think this one's Snow Nights, and I want to say the other one was maybe called like Snow Days. The packaging is gorgeous. It's in this reflective packaging with like a snowy winter sort of scene. Kind of reminds me of like Game of Thrones a little bit, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. Look, it kind of has that like winter is coming sort of like look. Gosh, are you guys excited for the new Game of Thrones coming out? I'm gonna sidetrack for one moment on these. I am so excited. It's coming in March, and I can't believe it's already on its last season. I'm so sad. I never want it to end. Okay, anyways, back to makeup. Okay, this packaging is amazing. It slides out like this. It lifts up, but, oh, I just realized there's a magnet in there too. I don't know if you guys can tell, but they put a mirror inside of here. How freaking smart is that? So when you have it, you can take one of these lipsticks out and look in this mirror and put your lipstick on. Oh my gosh. And then put it back in, close it up, and like throw it in your purse. This is so cool. I think I'll go ahead and start with the first one in the box. This is called No Chill. This is like a violety purple color. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch all three of these for you guys today as well. Wow, how crazy is that color? Oh my gosh. Okay, so right off, I really like this formula. I feel like it's super comfortable, but it's like stiff enough that it's not gonna slide around everywhere. Yeah, this is really nice. I really like this a lot. What an unusual shade. Okay, the next one that I'm going to try is called Frost Sauce. And ooh, this is like a nice copper color. I like this so much more than I thought I was going to. I cannot believe how reflective these lipsticks are either. This is crazy. I was kind of thinking when I bought this pack that like two of the other colors I was more excited about, and this one I was like, I don't know. It's, you know, not really gonna be something that I'm gonna like. But I retract that because I really do like this. The next color that I'm gonna try is a very unusual, cool color. This is the one that I was probably the most excited about. This is called Fog Snog, and it's a really hard color to explain. Of course it is metallic. It's like a, gosh, it's like a brown mauve chrome metallic. Let's put it on and you guys can decide exactly what color this is. I do think that I like this color the most. It is actually very similar in color to the shade that's on my eyes in the center, that Stone Cold color. All right, so that is the final look. Thoughts on these two lovelies right here? I mean, you guys watched the video, you saw I like the product. I would suggest going to Sephora and picking these up if you can. I do believe that they are still available and possibly on sale, which is amazing. So guys, I think that just about does it for me today. As always, if you have any questions about any products I used today or anything in general, wow, then please feel free to pop those down below. Also, if you haven't had enough of me yet, you can follow me over on my Instagram. I'm at Sargent Pepper. That's going to be adventures in my touring life and makeup, plenty of makeup as well. Yeah, so I think that just about does it, and I hope that everyone has a great day, and I'll see you guys for my next video. Okay.